In this video, we are going to see registers in 8051 microcontroller. Registers are the memory elements that are used to store user data. Registers generally consist of flip-flops. Now flip-flop means it is 1-bit memory cell which is used to store either 0 or 1 bit. The function of register is to store user data. Now in 8051 there are two types of registers, 8-bit registers and 16-bit registers. 8-bit registers, these are the 8 flip-flops connected to form 8-bit register. First 8-bit register is accumulator, then register B, then register bank registers. 8051 consists of total 4 register banks, RB0, RB1, RB2 and RB3. Each register bank consists of 8 registers, that is total 64 registers. Each register is 8-bit wide. Next 8-bit register is stack pointer and other special function registers like program status word, power control register, timer control register, timer mode register, interrupt enable and interrupt priority registers. Very first 8-bit register is accumulator. It is 8-bit register. It is used to hold one data during arithmetic and logical operations. This is important point. We have to remember 2 points regarding accumulator. First point is during arithmetic and logical operation, one data must be in accumulator. In this example, we are going to add contents of accumulator and register B. Then one content must be in accumulator, where second content might be in register B or register bank register. But one content must be in accumulator. The result of above example is say 36. Then this is second point regarding accumulator. Important point, the result of whatever your arithmetic and logical operation is automatically stored into accumulator. 2 points, 2 important points regarding accumulator. One data must be in accumulator during arithmetic and logical operations. Second point is whatever the result of arithmetic and logical operations, it automatically stored into accumulator. Let's see example on it. Now according to the first instruction, accumulator content will be 12 and as per the second instruction, content of register B 24. Now adding these contents, the result is 36, which automatically stored into accumulator. Now if we replace the accumulator by other register, let's see. Here I am going to replace accumulator by register bank register R0. See, it will show error, invalid register. Means accumulator is must to hold one of the content during arithmetic and logical operations. Second important register, register B. It is again 8-bit register and can be used as general purpose register. It plays important role during multiplication and division operation. In case if the multiplication result of 8-bit numbers exceeds 8-bit, that is result is 16-bit, then accumulator contents and register B contents, accumulator contents lower byte and register B contents higher byte. This is the example multiplication of two 8-bit numbers 1 2 and 2 4, which gives the result 288H, which is 16-bit number. Then 88 goes into accumulator and 02 into register B. During division operation, the result of division operation stored into accumulator and remainder goes into register B. Let's see examples practically. Now this is multiplication operation. These are two 8-bit numbers 1 2 and 2 4H. Now content of accumulator 1 2 and register B 2 4. The result, a lower byte goes into accumulator and higher byte goes into register B. Let's cross check the result. One 2 multiplied by 2 4, it is 288 in hexadecimal, which is 16-bit number. Lower byte goes into accumulator and higher byte into register B. Now division operation. Division of two 8-bit numbers 2 5 divided by 1 2. The result is 2 and remainder is 1. Accumulator content 25, register B content 1 2, and division operation C. Result goes into accumulator and remainder into register B. These are the important functions of register B apart from general purpose register. The next is register bank. As I told previously, 8051 consists of 4 register bank 02, register bank 3. Each register bank consists of 8 registers R02, R7. Each register is 8-bit wide. Register R0, which is 8-bit, R1 8-bit, R2 8-bit, and so on. Each register bank consists of 8 registers R02, R7, and each register is 8-bit wide. Then register bank usage conditions. Only one register bank can be selected at a time using program status word register. RS1 and RS0, these are 2 bits that are used to select particular register bank. This is first condition. And second condition, data transfer between register bank register is not allowed. Means move R0, R1. These register bank registers belongs from same register bank and it is invalid instruction. Next is stack pointer. It is 8-bit register. Stack refers to an internal area of RAM memory which is used to store and retrieve data quickly. By default, it is set to 07H memory location. There are 2 special instructions that are related to stack pointer. Push means write and pop means read. Next part is 16-bit registers. In 8051 there are 2 16-bit registers, data pointer and program counter. Since 8051 is 8-bit microcontroller, these 16-bit registers can be manipulated as 2 8-bit registers. For DPTR, like data pointer high and data pointer low, and for program counter, program counter high and program counter low. And these 2 8-bit registers can be used as general purpose registers. The function of data pointer is to access external data and codes. Next is program counter. See, program counter high and program counter low. The function of program counter is to hold the address of memory location of instruction to be fetched, that is which instruction to be executed. Thank you.